This is a 4-row repeat worked on multiple of 4 stitches. I have 24 here for this sample. You'll need to know how to knit 2 together, purl, and work with yarn overs. For row 1, you knit 2 together, make a double yarn over, 1, 2, and then knit 2 together. And then that is your repeat. You knit 2 together, yarn over twice, and knit 2 together. So that's all you do across the row for row 1. On row 2, you're going to knit 1, and then your next stitch is a double yarn over. So you can see that you have 2 loops on your needle here. You're going to work each of these separately. So you're going to knit the first loop here, drop that off the needle, and then the second loop you're going to purl. And that is how all of the yarn overs in this stitch pattern will be worked. You'll knit the first loop and purl the second loop. So you knit 1, and then knit 1, and then purl 1, and then knit 1. So that's your repeat. Knit, knit, purl, knit. And then you start again. You knit a stitch. You have your double yarn over here. Knit 1, purl 1, and then knit the next stitch. So that's all you do across for row 2. Knit 1, knit the first loop of your double yarn over, purl the second loop, and then knit 1. For row 3, you start by knitting the first 2 stitches and then begin your pattern repeat. And it's knit 2 together. You're going to make your double yarn over again and then knit 2 together. And that's the repeat. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together. And then you should have 2 stitches left. You just knit them. And then row 4, you're going to start by knitting the first 2 and then begin your pattern repeat. So you'll knit 1, and then you'll see you're at your double yarn over. So just like before, you knit the first loop and then purl the second loop, and then you knit 1, and that's the repeat. Knit 1, knit the first loop of your yarn over, purl the second loop of the yarn over, and knit 1. Then you'll have 2 stitches left after your last repeat, and you just knit them. And then you would just repeat those 4 rows for the pattern. So you can see this is unblocked on my needles right now. If you were to block this, how that would really open up that stitch pattern, and it looks a lot better. So that's the front, and then there's the back, which looks really similar to the front.